Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. Now we are at the final part of the subseries built-in functions. So in this video we will see how to use IIF and choose function that will perform decision making. These are all the slides from previous videos. So this time we are using the person table from person schema, and we use adventure work database. So here is the statement: select IIF. IIF stands for immediate if. So that is implemented in SQL Server as a function. To this IIF, what we pass is the condition. The very first one is the condition. Name style. Name style is coming from person table as a column. So what we are checking here is name style equal to 1. So if the column holds a value of 1, we state style as Eastern style. If it is not 1, then we will specify it as a Western style. So the name style column tells the preferred style in which any front-end application using the data can display the name. So when it is taking the name, first name, middle initial and last name, I mean the front-end application, so that will check for the name style, then format the name accordingly. So here you can form the logic in the front-end application, whether it is ADO.NET or any database front-end application, or in the SQL Server itself. When we are retrieving, we can use the IIF and format the data as we like. So here if you see, first we are displaying name style as Eastern or Western based on the column value. So that's how here we are using the IIF statement. And alias name is name style here. So instead of displaying 0 or 1, that is not easily readable, right? So somebody writing the query should go and refer the schema documentation to know what 0 means and what 1 means. Here if you see, using the IIF, we used 1 means Eastern style, otherwise display the name in Western format. Alright, so here we use the IIF once, then we are showing you the first name, last name. Here once again we are using the immediate if statement. If name style equal to 1, so when this condition is true, it will come to the first part. When it is false, it goes to the next part. Same holds true here itself. When condition is true, that means when name style is 1, Eastern will be displayed, otherwise Western will get displayed. Here when the name style is in Eastern format, we display the first name first, then last name. But if it is a Western style, we display the last name, after that we display the first name. So here we call it as full name. So this is name style and this is full name. And full name, if you see, based on name style, it displays in Eastern format or Western format. Next we use choose. For this choose function, we are using the column email promotion. So choose function will test the specific column, and when it is 0, it comes here and evaluates this. If it is 1, that means this email promotion, it goes to next. To the list can grow like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise it can grow. So choose is based on the very first condition. So whatever value is here, based on that we can form different expression. So if the value read here in this column is 0, then we land up here, or if it is 1, we will land up here. Likewise, it will keep on going. So we can, here if you see, we just specified a string. This can be a expression also, so it can be any mathematical operation that evaluates something, or combination of column or function call, whatever you want, you can do that here. All right, now we will go to SQL Server and explore IIF as well as choose functions. Both, if you see, they perform a decision making. Okay, this time we will use AdventureWorks database. So here we are changing the name style as 1 for a business entity ID above 5,000. So after we test our stuff, we will revert back the name style to 0. By default, the default database contains name styles as 0. So here we are changing the name style as 1 for business entity ID above 5,000. So almost 15,000 rows are affected. So these IIF as well as choose, both are already explained in the slide. We will directly execute it. Name style, if you see, all are displaying here as Western, and after 5,000, okay. So here I am mistakenly looking at the row number. So if we have business entity ID, then it will be easy. Alright, anyhow, we can see Western as well as Eastern style here. It is based on the name style. Next, if you see, when it is a Western style, we are displaying it as last name coming first, first name is coming next. And in Eastern style, if you see, first name is coming first and last name is coming next. So that's what we are doing based on this immediate if statement. And the first immediate if statement displays Eastern or Western based on the name style column value. And here in the email promotion, so we displayed actual column name as well this time. So based on business entity ID, so if you see name style column is 0, based on immediate if statement we are displaying here Western, and once it changes we are displaying it as Eastern. So when you create view, you can use this kind of stuff, so it will be more readable than the code 0 1 like this. All right, next if you see first name, last name, full name is displayed as last name first name last when type is Western, and if it is Eastern we display as it is first name last name format. Email promotion, if you see, for 1 we are specifying no email, then for 2 we are specifying only from Adventure Works. Okay, that means here we can use +1 because we see some 0 also. So 0 means no email, 1 means only from Adventure Works. So here email promotion we are decoding it using the choose statement. So now since we have some column with 0, so 0 plus 1 1, so it will come here no email for 1. When email promotion is 2, 1 2 3, we come here and we say all emails okay. There are some with 1 only from Adventure Works. Alright, anyhow here we looked at the example of immediate if function as well as choose function. Now we will revert back the database as it is. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.